Real-time video supervision of elevator maintenance. Intelligent recording ensures elevator safety. Single badal positioning law enforcement. It is applied to elevator maintenance. Solution. Elevators as an indispensable means of transportation. Vertical transportation tool. Its safe operation is directly related to everyone's life. Safety. Elevator maintenance is to ensure the safety. Is an important link in ensuring its safe operation. Professional and rigorous attitude. Third, the application of badal positioning law brings new changes to elevator maintenance. With accurate positioning and recording, elevator maintenance becomes more standardized. The badal law enforcement record has important significance in elevator maintenance. The first paragraph focuses on its highlighting the keywords. First, the current situation and challenges of elevator are complex, involving mechanics, electricity, maintenance and other aspects. Difficult. Traditional elevator maintenance depends on the experience and skills of the maintenance data during the inspection process are recorded on paper forms. It is easy to have incomplete records and errors. Meanwhile, because elevators are in different buildings, managers can't grasp in real time maintenance personnel work progress and quality. Maintenance work cannot be monitored. In addition, elevator maintenance work involves certain risks, such as high-altitude operations and electrical safety. The operation of maintenance personnel must be ensured and safety. Second, the badal law enforcement recorder. Specific application in elevator maintenance. First, accurately locate the elevator, construct, improve, and assign the badal single law enforcement can use positioning services to accurately record the location information of each elevator. The manager can use the elevator location, usage frequency, fault history, and other factors reasonably arrange the positions of maintenance and improve the efficiency of maintenance work. After the maintenance staff arrives at the elevator site, the device will automatically back up the arrival time to ensure the maintenance work is on time. Start. Second, record the maintenance process. To ensure maintenance quality. During the elevator inspection, the maintenance staff can use the badal law enforcement take photos of each part of the elevator, record the inspection process and method. When replacing parts, they can also use the device, record its model, specification, disassembly, and assembly time. These records can provide detailed basis for subsequent maintenance, ensuring that the always in good operating condition. Meanwhile, based on the video and audio data records, managers can evaluate the quality of the maintenance staff's work and find problems and rectify them in time. Third, safety work. Ensuring the safety of maintenance personnel. The badal law enforcement can monitor in real time the operation process of the maintenance personnel to ensure they follow the operation process. When maintenance personnel perform high-altitude or contact electrical equipment, the device can use sensors, detect whether their operation is standardized. If illegal operations are found, it will send out an alarm prompt in time. Meanwhile, the device also supports one-click alarm function. When maintenance personnel encounter emergencies, they can quickly ask for help from the manager. The advantages of the Sandao law enforcement recorder. First, detailed data, which is easy to trace. The elevator maintenance data recorded by the device and accurate, including maintenance time, address, personnel, and content. This information can be stored locally or uploaded to the cloud, which is convenient for managers to query and copy when the elevator fails. By comparing these data, the fault problem can be quickly identified. For maintenance work, it provides a strong application. Second, improve efficiency and cost savings based on badal. The positioning and scheduling function of the law enforcement managers can arrange the positions of maintenance personnel, avoiding one-sided and repetitive work. Meanwhile, the data recorded by the device can provide scientific basis for elevator maintenance, reduce unnecessary maintenance costs, and improve the economic benefits of elevator operation. Standardize ensuring safety. This device can monitor and record the operation process of maintenance personnel. It promotes maintenance to strictly follow the operating procedures, standardize their behavior, correct and evaluate violations in a timely manner, improve the safety awareness of maintenance personnel and professional skills, ensuring the safe development of maintenance work. 4. Practical application cases. A property company in multiple communities manages hundreds of elevators. After introducing the single badal law enforcement recorder, the elevator maintenance efficiency has been significantly with accurate positioning and scientific scheduling. Maintenance personnel, the efficiency increased by 30%. The incidence of elevator faults decreased by 20% during a maintenance. The maintenance staff recorded through the device. They found the elevator wire rope had hidden dangers of damage and replaced them in time to avoid safety accidents. The safety accidents that may occur. Fifth, Jiudang badal positioning law enforcement recorder used in elevator maintenance. It provides a strong guarantee based on accurate positioning, recording safety work and other businesses. It effectively improves the efficiency and quality of elevator maintenance. It reduces the incidence of elevator faults with the increase in elevator demand. The safety requirements for elevators are also higher. The single badal law enforcement will play a more important role to safeguard the elevator safety of the public.